In this video, we're going to be setting an attribute to an instance from a user-defined class. So the way this is going to work is that we're going to define a new class called person. We're going to use it to create a person instance, and then we're going to set an attribute in the car class to that person instance. So I'm adding a new attribute over here called driver, and it's going to be assigned to a driver. So this driver will be a member or an instance of the person class. So that's all I'm doing. So let's just take a look at this person class. It's very simple. It just has a little initialization of the first name, last name, sex, age, height, and it has one function where it just prints out, or it doesn't print, actually returns a message of just greeting them. Hello, my name is the first last name. All right, let's go ahead and execute this so we have access to this person. So I'm going to create a LeBron James person. He's a basketball player, so LBJ for his initials. I'm going to say person, first name is, so it goes first, last, sex, age, height. So I'm going to say LeBron James. That's the second argument. Sex, male, age 37, height 80 inches. Okay, so there we go. So there's LBJ. So now this is of the person class. Of course, if I do type LBJ, it should be of person. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a car instance. So again, I'll just use the same variable for my car. Red, 35,000. I'm just going up here. So transmission, manual, mileage 0. Again, let's say make the Tesla S3. And now the driver, I can just go ahead and use the keyword argument over here, I'm going to set it to be LBJ. So now this will be instantiated with the driver is an attribute, and it'll be set as an instance of another class. So that's what this is saying. So we're setting an attribute, which is the driver attribute, to be an instance of the person class. So user-defined class, this is what the whole chapter is. We're just creating our own classes. Okay, so let's go back over here. All right, great. So now I have my car dot driver. So I can access the driver, and let's just say I want to get the name. Actually, there's no name attribute, so there's a first name. So that's how I can do that. My car dot driver dot, and I can even greet. I can call the greet method, which will return this message. Hello, my name is LeBron James. That's how you can define two classes, create an instance of one, and pass it into the constructor of the another, which assigns it to be an attribute.